We are in the middle of a pandemic. We are living in one of the toughest years ever in history. We hope things will get better in 2021. Embrace the expert-backed strategies here and set yourself up for a better year. Here are some starter ideas on goals you can try to set and accomplish this new year to better yourself and achieve success. 1. Maintain a regular fitness regimen. Joining a gym or doing workouts at home are both great ways to get your body moving and in shape. 2. Be grateful for small things. We are in a world that has made a fake illusion that life is for big things. It is a big no. We should be grateful to have small things. We should look around us and be grateful for what we have. 3. Learn a new skill. What is something that you've always wanted to learn? A language? An instrument? Start taking lessons this year and gain a new skill. 4. Meditate and practice mindfulness every day. With all the chaos and stress that happens in our lives, it's important to take the time out of your busy day to meditate and recenter your thoughts. 5. Keep a regular sleep schedule. Maintaining a regular sleep schedule is important for getting better sleep quality, which will help you stay more alert, feel more energized, and improve your productivity levels during the day. 6. Get up earlier. We all only have 24 hours in a day. If you want to get more done during the day, you'll need to free up these hours if you have a busy schedule, and getting up earlier is a great way to do that. 7. Drink more water. Water is so important for a healthy body, so drink less sodas, sugary drinks, and alcohol this year for a healthier you. 8. Buy a plant. 1 or 2 leafy plants will do the trick. You don't want to create a jungle, because visual complexity makes us stressed, but having a couple of plants nearby can alleviate stress, boost mental energy, and help you think more creatively. 9. Laughter. Laughter releases stress from the body. Laughter nullifies your anger. Laughter makes your soul happy. Laughter makes you free from disease. The more you laugh, the more your life will become meaningful. Being happy all the time itself is a key skill, and successful people are very much skillful at this. 10. Paint the room peaceful. We're all home a lot right now and tense for various reasons, and there are so many uncertainties. Painting a wall just the right shade may help you decompress a bit. Science shows that colors that are relatively light and not very saturated are relaxing, and a light color makes the space seem a little bigger. 11. Declutter your home. Start the new year off with decluttering your home, such as furniture, clothes, and toys, if it's messy and overcrowded with things that you no longer need. Have more me time. Spending time with yourself is important to get to know yourself and to recharge. If you're constantly on the go or taking care of everyone but yourself, it's time to change that this year. Key takeaway: be a positive person or be with a positive person is one of the significant ways of achieving your dream. It is all in you. Be the master of your life. Wish you all the very best and a successful year ahead. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up. Subscribe our channel for more.